Hey guys, welcome back to the Ron Williams YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do shape versus size. And we're gonna talk about the legs. Now, shape versus size. Now, sometimes, as I've said in the past, you can have a larger muscle, but if it's covered with fat and it doesn't appear to look the same way that a smaller muscle on a different person looks because of the bone structure and because of the shape of that individual's body. Now let me give you an example with the legs. Okay, I just want you to imagine in your mind's eye the leg of this person. Say they have a 26-inch leg. That's a pretty good sized leg. 26 inches on their quad and their hamstring. But their glutes are 45 inches or larger. It takes away from the shape and it takes away from the appearance of what this leg looks like. If the glutes are smaller, imagine 42 inches on this glute. If it's smaller, then it makes the leg appear to be bigger. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here we go, guys. I want you just to take a look at this drawing. Now, if this is what your legs look like, say your legs, the circumference is 27 inches, and the circumference of your glutes would be something like 48 inches. Now, when you look at this picture, be honest, what stands out? Boom, right there. That's what stands out, guys. So if we want to make the quad and the hamstrings appear to be bigger, or we want the shape versus size, what if the glutes were not as big? Think about that. What if those glutes were not as big? This is what we would have. Start here, boom. We would start there and we would get rid of the inches here. And what if at that point we would build some hamstrings? That looks like a much better shaped leg and a larger leg also. So to make the legs look bigger, don't just think it's the quadricep, but it's the hamstrings and the glutes that are involved in this also. So if we're doing heavy squats all the time and we're not doing them correctly, involving the hamstrings, we're gonna have small hamstrings, large quads, huge glutes. So we've gotta get those hamstrings involved, and we've gotta do some other exercise to shape the size and the shape those glutes so they don't get as large. Squats are a great exercise, but there are some exercises that you can do to shape those glutes rather than building these huge glutes. So with this being said, I think you would much rather have this shape rather than huge glutes with small legs. What do you think, guys? I want you to give me a thumbs up, but also I want you to be honest and tell me your thoughts. God bless you till next time.